All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And just wanted to touch base a little bit and re-look at this bullish scenario that we need to happen for Bitcoin or for the market to turn bullish. We all know that Europe's not having a good time right now. Their inflation is at 9.1, and from what I hear, they are headed into a recession. So that's not good for the whole global economy. They're going to start when they go into a recession. You got to realize that Europe's going to stop buying as many U.S. goods as they were buying. So that's going to cause the unemployment rate to rise here in the U.S. And it's not a good situation for anybody. So um, not to turn political or anything, but I think after the midterms, things are going to go a little bit south than people really expect because of the I don't even know how to say it without pissing people off, but of the after the midterms, just mark my words, things are going to go south. It's not going to get it's not going to be very pretty, in my opinion. But you may have a different opinions. That's perfectly fine. But I think that we're having the wool pulled over our eyes when it comes to what's actually going on in the world. So, Europe recession, the U.S. is already in a recession, if you believe it or not. Um, and things are just going to go from bad to worse, in my opinion. So I do not think the bottom is in on Bitcoin. I don't see it with the way the economy is. But with that being said, moving on here to the S&P SPY here, you can see SPY has broken below my purple line here at 389. So that's a very bearish indication that we got more room to go down for the market and for Bitcoin. It's at 385 at the moment, so we did break this support line here. You see the support here, the resistance here, support, and now we broke through it. So that's not a good sign at all. Moving on here to an inflation rate, we all know it's 8.3, if you want to believe that or not. S&P mini futures here. I wanted to see it break below this purple line here at 3,900. It needs to lose this golden pocket. You can see the support it had back, or the resistance back here, support, and we really need to break below this. It's trying to break below it, but it's right in the middle of this golden pocket here. So I want to see it fall below this support here. So 3882 needs to break. And that would be a bullish sign, in my opinion. One of the signs that we need to see. But if we get bought back, or yeah, if it comes back up here and bounces here like it did the last time we looked at it, then that's not a very bullish sign. Moving right along here, the market cap, the total dominance. You can see we really need the tether dominance to break down below and get in this 5% range here, below this blue line I have here. I don't know why it's blue, but yeah, I would like to see the tether dominance get down here in this 5% range, and then that would point to the direction of bullishness on Bitcoin. You can see that we've been getting stuck at it a lot, so a break below this, and then we might roll over into a bullish territory on Bitcoin. So that's another thing you want to see there. Try not to make this too long for you guys. And of course, the DXY here. The DXY is still hanging around up here. It's not coming down. It really needs to come down here and break through this support down here at 105. So until the DXY gets down here past 105, I don't think we're going anywhere, like I said. And last but not least, looking at Bitcoin here, you can see on the daily chart here, we need to get over this downtrend here. We need to get over this 236 at 2125 for any kind of bullish momentum here. 20 and then 21 up here at this 382, and then eventually over this downtrend. Until we break the downtrend, it's not going anywhere. So what you want to see is we need to break 20, then 21. But what it might do is, we may have a little pump to the upside and get up here to 21.8 or so, or maybe even up here to 23.7 at the 786 to the upside. And it's going to be one of those situations where it just sucks people in before we fall lower. So for kind of maybe a move like this, and then we just fall down. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going to happen. It's going to move up to suck people in. It's going to break the uptrend. People are going to think we're going to the moon, and then it's just going to fall right back through the support and just crash down. So, with that being said, what to watch for right now? You can see the 786 at 19.2. That's what we really need to hold. If we break 19.2, then I would say it's over. If we break 19.2, then you can see 18.5 here, and then 17.6, and then eventually down here to 12.9 at the 1618. So, yeah, we break 19.2 and then 18.5. That would probably be confirmation that we are going a lot lower. But like I said, other than that, just keeping an eye on those prices for Bitcoin. It's not looking good on the DXY. We need the DXY to at least start coming down for Bitcoin to start moving up. Of course, the market cap, we need it to come down into that 5% range. We need this to break 3,900, 3,900 on the mini futures of S&P. And of course, SPY has turned bearish on us, and it has broken this support here. So nothing's really pointing to a bullish rollover, in my opinion. Nothing looks good, in my opinion. The world economy, everything that's going on with everything I just pointed out. So just keep that in mind. None of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion on how I'm interpreting these charts in the market and everything that's going on in the world. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.